Crushing the party gives me lost my invitation. Friendly reminder got my own filled with persuasion.
Looks like this place could use a bit of misbehavior. Happily ever after with a little